5 ways El Nino could affect Los Angeles, coming up next. Number 1. Increased rainfall. During an El Nino event, there is often an increased likelihood of above average rainfall in Southern California, including Los Angeles. This can result in heavier and more frequent rainstorms, potentially leading to localized flooding, landslides, and mudslides. It will be crucial to fortify your roof in preparation for the potential increased rainfall. Number 2. Warmer temperatures. El Nino could also bring warmer temperatures to the region. While Southern California generally experiences mild and warm weather, the presence of El Nino can amplify these conditions, resulting in higher temperatures than usual. Number 3. Stormy weather. El Nino can contribute to the development of more intense and frequent storms in the region. These storms can bring heavy rain, strong winds, and even thunderstorms, which may lead to disruptive weather conditions and potential damage to infrastructure. Number 4. Coastal impacts. El Nino can cause high sea surface temperatures and elevated sea levels along the coast. This combination can result in increased wave action and a higher risk of coastal erosion. It can also lead to more powerful and dangerous surf conditions, affecting beachgoers and coastal communities. Number 5. Disruption of marine ecosystems. El Nino can influence ocean currents and temperatures, impacting marine ecosystems. It can lead to changes in the distribution of marine species and affecting fishing activities along the California coast. Additionally, El Nino can contribute to the development of harmful algae blooms, which can have detrimental effects on marine life. Well, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this.